Hi guys, welcome back to the Quant Quest Academy. My name is Frank Sajugan. I'm your host today. So as you might remember in the previous videos, we had the third position in the cryptocurrency, and I posted two videos which was the kind of series. The first one was when I got to the initial position and the market went against me. For the second day, the market just bounced back. You can check this on, by the way, on our YouTube channel to see exactly what I'm talking about. And then in the second day, the market bounced back, and it was still, I was down to minus 261%, and the dollar value was $175 minus $175. And unfortunately, today, the position got closed and I just cashed out my position while I was sleeping. So I couldn't have a chance in order to record the video for you guys to exactly show you what basically was about to happen. And also we have the Instagram channel, which is Quant Quest Official. You can also see our video over there, but if you're gonna go to our YouTube channel, which is the Quant Quest Academy, so you're gonna see more basically, and it's gonna be more video, it's gonna be more detail about the how to get a position, how to read the market, how the indicator they work as a team or individually. So you can subscribe for that and you can check out our channel, and I promise you won't regret it. Let's get to it. I'm gonna show you basically what we have done, and based off that we're gonna take it from there. As you see right now, I am in the position, and that position is so far plus and lose is minus $2.60 over here. If you follow my cursor, is over here, and the percentage is next to it is almost nothing because I just got to the position. So I just opened the position like 5 minutes ago before I start recording my video. Okay, so but I'm gonna go to my my position history actually, and I'm gonna show you basically what happened to that previous position. So if I'm gonna come over here, so as you see, this is the position that we were talking about in last two videos, right? So I opened basically this position. If you trace my tracer over here, so you gotta see at the time opening over here, it says June 13th. So I opened it at June 13th, and this position got closed at June 16th, which is 3 days. So basically the market went against me all the way down to minus 793%, 793%, which was the dollar value of $530, minus $530, and bounced back within 3 days in favor of me, and I got $157 and some change out of that. And if you're gonna take a look at over here, which says ROI, which stands for return on initial investment or return on investment, so the percentage is 414.62%. Guys, this is a real world. This is the real market. So you show me where you can find a market such like this that is going to return for you within a couple of days 414.62%, and the dollar value for that is on top of it, which is plus $157.49. Okay, and this is the US dollar, by the way. As you see, in that position, I gained as I promised, right? So right now I am at this position, and I'm gonna talk about this position just a little bit for you guys to try to understand what was my prediction for this market. As you see, if I'm gonna squeeze my chart just a little bit for you guys, we are at the 15 minutes charts over here. Just trace my tracer over here, and it's gonna show it to you exactly what I'm talking about on top left hand side. So 15 minutes. If I'm gonna go all the way to 1 hour chart, so you're gonna see the market, and you're gonna see basically what happening, right? The market bounced back over here, and right now we are at here. So I got to this position, and if I'm gonna put over here, you're gonna see the market is bouncing back and forth. up and down based off the market movements. And I went short over here, and I'm expecting the market to drop all the way down. I got the position at 200 over here. It says 2,639 dollars. That's my entry position, and I'm expecting the market to drop all the way down from this point all the way to here, which says take the profit with a green color. So for $2,450. So if that things happen, basically it's gonna return on my initial investment almost something about 450%. And the dollar value is gonna be almost close to $400. So we're gonna stay with this one to see what's gonna happen to this one. So here is the deal. Market has two choices, whether it's gonna go against me or it's gonna come in favor of me. If it's gonna go against me, I'm gonna show you what's the second plan for it. And then I'm gonna keep post this position like this for you guys to be more tangible, and you gotta have more sense what I'm exactly talking about when you get to the chart. But at this point, we're gonna keep it that way to see what's gonna happen. In the next video, I'm gonna make my chart just a little bit richer for you guys with some indicators, and I'm gonna work through the indicators. I'm gonna explain to you guys how I'm gonna read those indicators. So this chart is not just a chart for me. You gotta get to the position that is gonna start talking back to you. You gotta understand the chart, the indicators, and these candlesticks that you can see, the red and greens, they have a meaning. There is a meaning inside of it. There is a meaning behind that. There is something happening behind the scene. And as a trader, you gotta be able to understand what basically means. So, okay, up to next video, stay safe and trade smart. Thank you.